Jenkins pipelines were once the king of CI/CD, powering countless DevOps workflows. But is this reign coming to an end? Enter GitHub Actions, the challenger shaking up the CI/CD world. Let's face it, Jenkins has served us well for over a decade, but as CI/CD needs evolve, so do the tools. GitHub Actions is now the fastest growing CI/CD tool, streamlined, developer friendly, and deeply integrated with GitHub. So why are people making the switch? First up, integration. With GitHub Actions, everything lives in the same ecosystem. Your code, your CI/CD workflows, and even your secrets. No clunky integrations. Compare that to Jenkins, where plugins often break with updates and setup feels ancient. Managing Jenkins sometimes feels like babysitting. Plugin compatibility, server maintenance, and performance issues can eat up hours. GitHub Actions is serverless. GitHub manages the infrastructure so you can focus on shipping code. Jenkins can be free, but requires dedicated servers or cloud instances to scale, adding hidden cost. GitHub Actions wins in usability. Writing workflows in YAML feels intuitive compared to Jenkins file scripting. Plus, GitHub Actions Marketplace provides thousands of reusable actions, from Docker builds to Kubernetes deployments, at your fingertips. To be fair, Jenkins still holds the crown for flexibility in enterprise environments. If you need custom pipelines or multi-cloud deployments, Jenkins can still be your best friend. But for most teams, GitHub Actions is just easier. So why is Jenkins really dying? Not yet, but its dominance is certainly being challenged. GitHub Action isn't just a tool, it's a wake-up call for how CI/CD should work in 2025. If you're as passionate about modern DevOps tools as I am, you will love my course on Argo Workflows, another tool revolutionizing CI/CD. Automate deployments, master Kubernetes, and take your DevOps game to the next level. Check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights.
Take that away, 'cause you made